To add a custom notification sound to Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down looking for the sounds and vibrations. From this list, navigate to notification sound and select it. Right here, as you can see, there's a custom, and you can select whichever custom song you want to use. And if you cannot see the custom songs right here, then what you can try is to move to the ringtones and click on this plus button, then select and add the song that you want, and then it should appear in the customs right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.